Today we're going to do the last part of our time capsule. We're going to do the same work that we looked at in the live lesson. So remember, we have different sections on the fact file. Here we have the rules of lockdown. Here you need to write things that you could do and you couldn't do during the lockdown. For example, I couldn't go out of the house unless it was to go shopping or for a medical appointment. Okay? You could write, I could play outside my house within 200 meters. You can say, I couldn't do sport and I couldn't meet other people or go shopping. You could put things like, all the shops were closed except for shops selling food and medicine. Okay, then if you go down the page, here we have duration of lockdown. So this means the time of lockdown. How long did it last for? It lasted for about 3 months. So here you need to put from March until the end of May or the middle of May. Think with your mum about the exact date. So you can put 2.5 months here. End of lockdown. Okay, so for the end of lockdown, you need to put what's happening now that we're at the end of lockdown. So you could put something like, now I can go out, but I have to wear a mask. You could say that I can go shopping, but I have to clean my hands. And before I go in the shop, everybody has to have their temperature measured. And you could put that only a small number of people can enter each shop at a time. You can also maybe put a quick memory of the first thing that you did. You can either put that here, if you have space, or you can use this blank box here. Here you can either draw a picture or glue a photo of something connected to COVID and lockdown, maybe a picture of you with your mask on. Okay, or if you want here, you could write some information about the first person that you saw after COVID and how you're feeling now. Okay, so the writing about the first person you saw and your feelings can either go here, or you can put it down in this part here. Okay, and up here, either you can put writing or you can put a photo or a picture. Okay, when you've finished making your fact file, put it into your time capsule. Add some other things to your time capsule, like maybe some photos, perhaps a newspaper or an object that reminds you of the coronavirus period. Okay, and when you've finished putting everything you want in it, you can close your time capsule and hide it. And then, do you think you're going to remember to look for it in 10 or 20 years to show to your friends or your children? I don't know. Let's see. We will only know in the future.